Hey, welcome back. Animal advocates and animal lovers are coming together today, World Animal Day, to try to raise awareness about the welfare of the nearly 7.8 million types of animals that roam the globe.
Daily, animals are subjected to cruel conditions, from poaching in the wild to puppy farms. And this morning, we're joined by Sarah Carb, the CEO of the Nature Watch Foundation, which created World Animal Day. Sarah, thank you so much, and good morning to you. Can you tell us more about the mission behind World Animal Day and why it's important for people to care about animal rights?
Well, yes, and World Animal Day is the most amazing opportunity to unite people around the world who care for animals. So there are hundreds of events going on today, everywhere, everything from church blessings to tabletop sales to school events, where everybody gets that opportunity to say why animals are important to them, because, animals, they don't have a voice, we do. And we live on this, amazing shared planet. So this today, as World Animal Day, is that opportunity for us to unite and to speak up for animals, whether that's combating puppy mills, which can be dreadful, or helping to raise the plight of the 16,000 endangered animals on our planet. So people, they have this fantastic opportunity today. Use the hashtag World Animal Day, get the message out there and get involved in events in their community. Or, they could just take their dog for a long walk at the end of the day. Just a way of showing their love, really, for animals.
You said 16,000 endangered species?
Yes, there are 16,000, and there's 40,000 on the could be endangered list.
Oh,
so
wow.
This is a massive issue. People, they can contact their elected representative, or they could, reach out to their local animal charity just to get involved and share that love for animals. There's so much that we can do, as people, just to, be responsible, recycle more, less waste, and then just, really love and enjoy, our fabulous planet and all the animals that we share it with.
Which endangered animals in particular are you focused on the most? Which are under the most serious threat right now?
I think when you look on the list of the most endangered animals, you've got rhinos, you've got orangutans, you've got tigers. These are, as kids we grow up going, wow, these fantastic animals. So, we've all got our responsibility to play our part to make sure that these animals don't suffer by, everything that we do on the planet. And so today on World Animal Day, if we can, just think about what we're doing and spread the message out there on social media and in everything we do, just to say, animals are fantastic. As part of World Animal Day, we have nearly 100 ambassadors, voluntary ambassadors around the world that lead animal welfare organizations, and we'd welcome more involvement from animal welfare organizations in the United States. That would be fantastic. Just who are organizing these fabulous events around the world and just spreading that message of what we can all do to help animals.
Yeah. All right, Sarah Carr, CEO of the Nature Watch Foundation and organizer of World Animal Day. Thank you for all that information. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.